Hey guys, it's Alani, and sorry if you cannot see my head right now. I am in the car, and if you guys didn't watch, I just did like a Target vlog, and when I was at Target, I got some Hello Kitty boots and hot fries, and so I am going to be doing the hot fries challenge. Right here I have some water, and the challenge is how many chips I can eat without getting a drink of water. So, sorry if you can't see my head, but so let's get started. Can't, they won't see me. Sorry, that was my brother. Okay. 1.
Are you even counting how many chips?
That's 1. I just changed the angle. 2. Ooh. You didn't even show it. Okay, that was my brother, sorry. He has hot onions. 3. Oh, they're not hot, they just get me thirsty. 4. And if you hear like crunching noise in like the background, that's my brother. He's eating his hot onions. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Hey, sorry, that just changed. My brother just moved his seat. 12, no, 13, no, yeah, 13, 14, 15, 16. I can't take it.
Well, you can have some water.
Wait. Oh, sorry guys. I can only do 15. Give it back to me. I can only do 15, but yeah. Probably gonna save these for later. So yeah. Thanks for watching my videos. Love you.